Hi, today we're going to see about the concept of unicorn. Concept of unicorn. Okay. What is a unicorn? The startup is referred as a unicorn if it is the following feature. Okay, when is unicorn? It's a privately held startup. So it is not listing. Only private. Not everyone can access it. Only private issues and private persons can access it. Very good. Then valuation of startups reaches $1 billion. Valuation reaches 1 billion. 1 million is 10 lakhs. 1 billion is 100 times 10 lakhs. So how much? 1 crore, 10 crores. 10 crores dollars. What 10 crores dollars? If it reach on its valuation, it's a unicorn. Emphasis on a rarity of success of such startup. Usually, it's not usually startup is success, but it will say like it will become a great thing. Other common features are new ideas, innovation, customer focus, and high on technology. Usually, it is a new idea, it is a new innovation, and everything will be there. If it is been there, it is a unicorn company. However, if the valuation of any startup slips below 1 billion, it can lose its status of unicorn. So, valuation should be minimum 10 billion US dollars. Then it is a unicorn. Um, Decathlon, Decacoron is a company which has attained valuation of more than 10 million. Oh, 10 billion. Very good, very good, very good. That's an example. Very good.